Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AWS S3 sync tool options for macOS, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the AWS S3 sync tool options for macOS, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official AWS command line interface (CLI) download page. Locate the section labeled macOS. Select the appropriate installer based on the architecture of your Mac. Typically, this will be a .package file suitable for most users. Click the download link to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, locate the .package file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the .package file to open the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. Agree to the license agreement when prompted. Select the destination for the installation, usually your main drive. Click Install to proceed with the installation. You may be prompted to enter your system password to authorize the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is finished, close the installer. Open the terminal application, which you can find in the Utilities folder. To verify that the AWS CLI is installed, enter the command AWS version. If installed successfully, the version number will be displayed. Next, you will need to configure the AWS CLI. Enter the command AWS configure in the terminal. Provide your AWS access key ID when prompted. Enter your AWS secret access key in the next prompt. Select your preferred AWS region from the list. Set the default output format, such as JSON, text, or table. To confirm that everything is set up correctly, enter a test AWS S3 command. For example, type AWS S3 ls to list your S3 buckets. If everything is configured properly, your S3 buckets will be displayed in the terminal. Now, you can start using the AWS S3 sync tool with the command AWS S3 sync. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.